Hello everyone, I'm Emma from Standview. Today I want to show you our Standview's environmental simulation laboratories. Let's go! Woohoo! Here we are in the lab. As you can see, it's really cold. Now we are testing R32 in water heater and the ambient temperature is 2 degrees. Here we are in the test data control room. We can directly observe the performance of the product. On this computer, we can see the real-time data. It shows the temperature data now. On this machine, we can see a lot of data we need. On my left is an inverter power supply. We have 20 years experience in heat pump. If you have any requirements for heat pump, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.